Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video topic you are going to learn what is change management, four principles of change management and the importance of change management. Let's start the video. Change management is the systematic approach which deals with the transitions of transformations of different organizational objective, process, core values or technologies. The project development process and all the other factors related to the project are not that stable and have to be changed every so often because of the shifting requirement of the market. That's why project managers have to organize a process of change management in their development strategy to ensure that it can handle any changes that come in the way of their development process being a success. With this four principles, now come to the four principles of change management. Successful change management depends on four core principles. They are: first, understand change; second, plan change; third, implement change; fourth, communication change. Let's explore this along with some tools and techniques that you can use to put them into operations. First, understand change. Understand change. To strongly promote the benefit of the change, you need to figure out them yourself. So think about, why do you need to change? What are your key objectives? What will the benefits of change be to the organizations? How will it affect people positively? And what will people need to do manage the change successfully? It can also be important to think about what is negative result of not making the change. Would be backed and Harris change equations explain that for change to work there has to be enough discomfort with the old way for doing things. People should feel confident that the new approach will be better and that there's a straightforward way to get there. Second, plan change. Effective change doesn't just appear by chance, and any plan you make should be right for your business. How change projects are managed can vary from organizations to organizations. Some have very definite changes procedures while others are more visible and flexible in their approach. However, you will need to consider sponsorship. How will you secure, undertake, and use high level encouragement and sponsorship of the change involvement? Who is the best positioned to you help design and execute the change? For example, will you need outside expertise or can you use domestic resources? Support change is most efficient when you can win support from people across the business impact. Finally, think about what success should look like. How will you predict and assess the impact of the change that you need to make, and what goals do you need to achieve? Third, implement change. As you all seen, there are many strategies that you can choose to put your change into practice. For example, Kotter 8-step change model explains how to inject a sense of urgency into your actions so that you build momentum and inspire every to get behind your changes. Meanwhile, the changes curve evokes you to be mindful of pupils' feeling while putting your plan into operations. It shows the stages that we all go through during organizational change. From shock and denial to fully investing in the fresh approach, the following steps can help you implement change positively. Ensure that every involved in the changes understands what need to happen and what it means for them. Agree to the success criteria of your changes and make sure that they are regularly measured and recorded. Map and identify all the key stakeholders that will be involved in the change. Identify any training needs that must be discussed in order to implement the changes. Hire changes agents who helps to put the new practices into place and who can act as role model for the fresh approaches. Change pupils' habits so that the new practices becomes the norm. Clarify that everyone is supported throughout the changes process. Last one is communications changes. Communication is a very important component of change management. The change that you want to achieve has to be clear and appropriate so people understand what you want them to do and why they need to do it. But you have to set the right mode so that you get the emotional reactions you are expecting. For also be sure to practice good stakeholders management. This will assure that you give the right people the right message at the correct time. To get the help that you need for your project, and EDGAR change management model is a useful tool that you can use to help communicate your change. It describes 5 things you would try in your communication: awareness of the need for changes, desire to take parts in support it, knowledge of how to change, ability to change, reinforcement to sustain the changes in the long sessions. Let's move on the importance of changes management. It says the pressures and create a simple process. In recent years, companies are seeing changes management play a significant role in implementing new technology. Many people worry that a technology advance it will take over the workplace. This often causes a struggle to change in firms looking to implement new technology. By encouraging employees to better understand change, you create a system that is more open minded and free to change. Maintain your organization's time and resources. Change management is a proper way of communicating with the employees. It tells them why change is happening, what it will sound like for them, and how it will finally contribute to them in the end. When employees are more interested, the transitions can take place more quickly and ultimately maintain your organization's time and resources. Create a more versatile and innovative workplace. By opening this line of communications is your organization, you fix a standard with time. This will build up the trust your employees have in the firms and the decisions. Top management is making setting a standard for change early on, and managing consistency can help you create a more versatile and innovative workplace. You can support my work by liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.